Moment of truth, boys. Fixed all the contacts. Had to add a ton of wires because this is for a British GTV harness. And had to thread it through the entire car. Had to change all this. Looked at this non-stop for about 3 weeks. Had to wire up all my switches and label everything. And over here, added all new wires to the relays. Added a starter relay because I think that's what fried my wires in the first place. And wired up all these different switches in here. Back to the coil. And here is the original toasted wire that came from the ignition. So I think that's actually what happened is I burned a coil wire coming from the ignition. And now let's see if it starts. 3 weeks of dicking around with wires, I'm kind of nervous. Okay. That's the mechanical fuel pump firing up. Those are idiot lights on. It's in neutral. It's on the dollies, so. Just sprayed some starter fluid in the cylinders. Yeah, boy. Nothing's catching fire. All the fuses are still good, nothing's popped. Yeah, all the fuses still look good. These fuses look good down here. Also, I finally got a light up there in the hood. Dude, it's running. I can't believe it's running. I got all new LED front headlights, and let's see if the fog lamps work. The fog lamps never worked on this thing. Put a relay into that. Yeah, sweet. Fog lamps work. Awesome. Yeah. And oh, it's running dirty. Spewing shit all over my nicely new painted cabinets. And I also replaced all these lamps right here with LED bulbs. The standard deal. Cool. Check turn signals. Sweet, turn signals are working. Turn signals never worked either. Yep, sweet, that's working too. And check wipers. Sweet, that's working. All the little dash lights here are all lit up. I never had a heater fan too. Let's see if that's working. Perfect. All right. Sweet, right on. Good. It's definitely sleepy. Now I just gotta put it back together.